Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot in Oppo A37 smartphone. First of all, I want to tell you that this phone is not actually Oppo A37 but it is Oppo A5. However, the screenshot methods are same for both mobiles. I have used it for the purpose of taking screenshot. First thing you should do is go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I open Chrome browser. I want to take a screenshot from a page in the Chrome. Just I want to take a screenshot of this home page in Chrome. And for that, use power button and volume down button together. Just press it for 1 to 3 seconds. Once again I do it. Yes, screenshot is captured. In this way you can take a screenshot, and the next method is use your 3 fingers sliding along the screen. Just slide down along the screen. Yes, screenshot is captured. Once again I do it. Just slide down your 3 fingers along the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Yes, screenshot is captured. You can access captured image through gallery or notification area. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.